Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. So basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. Let's get started by use the application. You need to open Philips headphones app. Then, of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application and you will see the same menu. Right here we have ambient control. Make sure that you enable it. So tap at this slider and now we have ambient sound control. So to enable ANC you need to only tap at the ANC. To disable ANC you need to or swap to transparency mode or to adaptive mode or just disable ambient control. Now, as I said, we can also use a gesture, and to control it by a gesture you need to use the right earbud. So right here we have Fidelio, this wheel is touch area. Firstly let me close it, and now you need to press 2 times at the touch area on your right earbud. 1, 2, and as you can see, if ambient control was disabled, it will enable it and enable ANC. Now, to disable it, you need to swap to transparency mode by, again, double press 1, 2, or if you double press again, you will turn off ambient sound control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!